Dominique was born in Beijing, China from a Chinese father and a Jamaican mother. Dominique and her family were looking to move to Florida in the coming year due to the job opportunity her father received. Prior to moving to the States, they are planning a family trip to Jamaica. Surprisingly, Dominique did not grow up eating traditional Jamaican cuisines. A life without experiencing Jamaican jerk chicken and festival must be a tough childhood. Her father was a picky eater, and with her mother Carribean skill, it was not an issue preparing these Chinese recipes. With an upcoming trip to Jamaica book, Dominique and her mother would say, wanted to get in touch with her missing culture. Also, she would definitely gain brownie points where bonding with her mother. She would immediately jump online and search for Jamaican or Caribbean recipes. Everything looked like a foreign language to her, but what really caught her attention was fried dumplings. Growing up in China, she was familiar with dumplings as she ate wonton dumplings just about every day and assumed that this would be a nice introduction. After reviewing the ingredients, Dominique noticed that Jamaican dumplings and wonton dumplings are completely different. Jamaican dumplings are prepared with flour and baking powder as the base, whereas wontons have stuffing of meat, seafood, or veggies. Dominique became more interested and sought to learn more about Jamaican fried dumplings. As she continued her search, she learned that fried dumplings are also known as Johnny cakes or journey cakes. Fried dumpling is rooted from Jamaica colonizations. Workers who take these fulfilling dumplings on long trips, hence the name Johnny cakes or journey cakes. A smile appeared on Dominique's face as she became more insightful of her culture. Dominique called for her mother and they began creating these amazing Jamaican-style fried dumplings. As they finished cooking, Dominique asked, "What do you eat with fried dumplings?" Her mother replied, "Fried dumplings are normally eaten with ackee and saltfish." Dominique's face looked perplexed, but her mother added that this can be eaten with a standalone snack or can be used as a side for any dish. Dominique felt a sense of accomplishment and was eager to go on a trip to Jamaica. Now it is your turn to make these Jamaican style fried dumplings. If you are not the best cook, no need to worry because these dumplings are quick and easy to make. Continue watching the video for the full recipe. So today we are going to be making some Jamaican fried dumpling. So we're going all the way back to Jamaica. First thing first, you want to put all your ingredients in the flour. So you have your salt, your baking powder, sugar, and for this recipe you can either choose between white sugar or brown sugar. You can use any which of the following, and water to make the dough. So after I put all my dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and add my water to make the dough. Please note that you can also use cold water or warm water. Any which of them doesn't really make a difference. After you finish making your dough, you can set it aside to rest for 30 minutes, or you can go right away and start frying your dough. It all depends on how you want to do it, but for me, I went right away and I start frying my dough. Yes guys, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my stove. I'm going to put it at medium heat because you don't want the oil to be too hot and you don't want it to be too cold because that can affect how the dumpling comes out. So you want to ensure that you have it at the right temperature. So I'm going to add some oil to the pot. So I ensure that the pot is hot first, and then I add my oil and let my oil hot as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the dough So as you can see, I'm taking a big pieces like round like egg, and I'm just gonna combine it, make it into a egg ball, and then press in the center for it to shape out the way that I want it to. And then you continue repeating the process until it is finished. And then you want to set this aside into a separate container. That's what I did before I go ahead and place it in the aisle, because I don't want to like make and drop in the aisle, make and drop in the aisle. No, I ensure that everything is complete before I go ahead and start put the dough into the pot. This recipe is amazing, trust me. You can have it with fish, you can have it with some Jamaican callaloo, you can have it with steamed cabbage, you can have it with so many things. You can even have it as a standalone dish with a nice cocotti or whatever you choose to have it with. You can definitely go ahead and have it with it. It is simple, it is delicious, guys, and you should definitely go ahead and try this recipe. You will not be disappointed, trust me. So you want to fry it until it is golden brown, right? So you're going to give each side 4 minutes, so 4 minutes on each side for it to be golden brown. And after your dumpling is complete, you're going to go ahead and remove it from the aisle. You can use a napkin, place it in a plate, and put the dough in so that you don't have a lot of grease. Yes guys, so here I am, I'm just turning these dumplings, because as you can see, the side is golden brown. It looks so, the color looks so amazing. This is exactly how I want it, this is exactly how I love it. So as I said, I placed a plate and then I put a napkin on top of the plate, and then I'm going to place the dumpling on it. And this is just to get rid of the grease, because you don't want to consume too much grease. It is not healthy for you, so you want to ensure that you take out some of the grease from this. And here you have it. Our simple recipe is complete. It is finished. This is the end result. The colors are looking amazing, and the outside is so crispy, but inside is soft. It is really soft on the inside. And as I said, you can have this as a standalone. For me, I went ahead and I have it as a standalone. I just had a slice of pear and some fruit, apple, and that was my breakfast with some chocolate tea. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate you for all the support. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from.